Why? Every single pair of socks I own. Every single one. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you never miss a future upload. Some of you guys probably noticed I am in a new location. I actually didn't film any outfit videos this week because I didn't really have a film room. I spent the whole week kind of revamping, redoing, repainting, getting a couple new things here and there for the film room, and I'm actually filming on the opposite side of the room just so it's a, I don't know, less cluttered background. I know a lot of you guys said I didn't bother you, and I appreciate that so much, but it bugged the hell out of me, so I had to make a change. This isn't exactly how it's going to be, but something a little bit close to this. Just a plain white background with maybe some greenery or something. I'm not quite done, but rest assured I videoed the entire thing, so once I get my last few pieces for in here, I'm going to edit that video and get it up for you guys. Anyway, today's video is going to be a Fashion Nova try-on haul. I absolutely love Fashion Nova. You guys know that I have done many videos featuring their clothes. This haul is going to be kind of based around the jeans. I have gotten many jeans in my lifetime from Fashion Nova, and they are hands down my favorite because of how stretchy and comfortable they are. I typically gear toward skinny jeans, but I want to start branching out and I want to wear more like mom jeans and boyfriend jeans. I just want to be cute, you know, like casual, effortless, but just so cute. So I got 3 pairs of that style, like mom, boyfriend jean. I really don't even know the difference between the two, if I'm being honest with you. But 3 pairs of jeans that are not skinny jeans, and then I got 2 pairs that are skinny jeans, as well as 5 tops. So everything I talk about today will be listed in the description box below. As always, my weight, my height, and all of my measurements are listed in the description box for you guys to reference. And if you have any questions or comments or anything at all, leave them down below. I like chit-chatting with you guys down there. Same with my Instagram, so if you guys ever want to DM me or have any questions, you can reach me a little bit easier there because my phone is just glued to my hand and I'm always on Instagram. So definitely you can reach me there if you want to, but other than that, let's get into this video. So the very first item that I got were these pair of jeans right here. This is a light wash pair of skinny jeans. They are full length and super stretchy. I picked these up in an 18 and I really liked them a lot. Super comfortable, and I really like them a lot. They're just so freaking comfortable. I feel like Fashion Nova jeans just kind of fit me like a glove because I do have a pretty large bottom half and I do have a waist. So I feel like they either fit me perfect in the legs and then they're too loose up here, or it's the other way around. It's always something, but I like a pair of jeans that's a little bit tighter up here at the waist. That way when I'm walking, they don't fall down. So these definitely fit the bill. Honestly, every single one of these jeans fit the bill, so super cute, and I like these ones a lot. The next thing I got is actually what I'm wearing. It's this maroon t-shirt. I got the same one in my fiance picks my Fashion Nova outfits video, but he got it in a 3X and it was a light pink color, but this is the exact same shirt except I got mine in a 2X and it's a maroon color. It's just super long in the back and the front and has a pretty high slit up the side, but I really like that because I feel like, you know, the front part of the shirt is here in the front, the back kind of drapes down, and then you're left with seeing all the curves. So I love this shirt, so comfortable, so lightweight, and like I said, I got this one in a 2X. The next pair of jeans that I picked up are more of that like mom jean slash boyfriend jean, and this is in a medium wash. Super cute. I love how they come kind of rolled up at the bottom. You can of course unroll it and roll it up more or unroll it all together. You kind of have freedom to do whatever you want with them. I absolutely love this medium wash color. It's just so freaking cute. I got these in a 3X because these are not as stretchy. So a couple hauls ago, I picked some up similar to this, but they were in black, and I got a 1X, nowhere near fitting. So then I ordered again, got a 2X, just this close. So I got 3Xs in all of the more like mom jean styles because I feel like those are the styles that are gonna have a little less stretch. So that was definitely the case. These fit great. Super, super cute. So cute that I picked them up also in a dark wash. So let me show you those. So here are the dark wash ones, which I did not button up. Let me button them. So these are the darker wash ones, but they're the exact same jean, same size, 3X, just so freaking cute. So yeah, so let me put them actually up side by side. So here they are side by side. This is the medium wash and this is the darker wash. I also love Fashion Nova jeans because they are pretty affordable also, and they're really good quality. So picked these up in 2 different colors. I am definitely of the mindset that once you find the perfect pair of jeans, buy them in every color or buy like multiple of one color that you really like, because I promise you this happens every single time. You go to buy them again months down the line and they're nowhere to be found, or they're discontinued, or they're out of stock, and it's just a whole mess. So when you find a pair you like, buy them all. Next up, I found this really cute lace top. Ignore how wrinkly it is. I didn't want to go air fluff it before I tried it on for this video. I really should have, but it's just a super cute white, like really flouncy shirt that has this lace area here at the top, on the front and the back. So with this one, I might suggest wearing like a strapless bra if you don't want your bra straps to show, because they definitely will. I think for the try on portion, I just left my bra as is, so you guys can probably see the straps. But I will say that this bottom half, like the opaque white part, is a little bit see-through as well. So if that kind of bothers you, maybe this isn't the top for you, but I just really loved the neckline and how high it went. And if you don't know, I am engaged, and I feel like I don't know, I'm kind of gravitating towards the white now. So I just feel like we're gonna have like different events here and there where wearing white is the thing to do. So I just wanna be ready, I wanna be prepared. I picked this top up in a 2X, and it is not made of a stretchy material. The only part that's a little bit stretchy is actually the lace part, which I think is funny. It said it was 10% spandex here, so thought that was interesting. The rest is made of rayon, which is not stretchy at all. It does have elastic here though in the wrists, but I just thought it was super cute. I love it a lot. Next up, I got a pair of black mom or boyfriend jeans, still don't know the difference. These are also in a 3X, and they are so freaking adorable. I got these in a 2X, I think in the last couple hauls ago, and unfortunately I didn't try them on because they didn't fit. So these are a 3X. They are rolled at the bottom. They fit great. These are actually like super, super high-waisted, so if that really bugs any of you guys, probably wouldn't be for you, but I actually don't mind it. I love it. I don't know, they're really comfortable. They do have a little bit of stretch to them, not a crazy amount, but I love black jeans more than most things in life, so these were right up my alley. So I feel like this wouldn't be a Fashion Nova haul without a bodysuit, so what do you know, I got a bodysuit, and it's white. This is one of those bodysuits that's like straight across, kind of like bandeau style, but then has these thin spaghetti straps, and I just think it's so cute. Definitely need a strapless bra. In the try-on portion, I was super lazy and I just kind of like tucked my bra straps in, so if you see any like lumps or bumps, that is why. It is just a white bodysuit, a spaghetti strap bodysuit, very stretchy. I got mine in a 2X. It does have a snap closure in the crotch, and it is more of a thong bodysuit. This is so cute. I absolutely love bodysuits like this to pair with some like looser mom jeans. Throw on a cute little belt and some Vans and you are good to go. I think this would even be cute in the fall with that same outfit I just had in mind, but maybe like throw a cardigan over it. Just so freaking cute. I absolutely love it. On the website, I actually saw this top paired with what I'm about to show you next, and I thought it was kind of cute, so I got it. So the model on the site put this top over top. This is also in a 2X, and it's just a blush color see-through mesh, but it's also like polka dot with this super cute neckline. I don't even know what that's called. It's kind of frilly. I think it's like a lettuce trim. I think I made that up. I'm not sure. If you guys know what that's called, let me know. But she had that white bodysuit underneath this, and it was so cute. It just looked so like flirty, spring-like. I don't know much. The only thing about this top is I wish I would have gotten it in the 3X because I like my mesh tops to be just a little bit looser. I don't like them to be super like skin tight, and this one definitely was. But other than that, like this is a thick like mesh material. Like when I think of a mesh shirt, I think of those super thin ones that snag on everything. But this I feel like is not like that at all. It's very thick and it is very stretchy, but like not as stretchy as, you know, those typical mesh shirts that were like super in like a year and a half, 2 years ago. It's not that stretchy. It's just, it's so cute. I love it. I liked this one so much that I also picked it up in maroon. Let me grab it. Here it is. Got it in the same size, a 2X. Once again, wish I would have sized up to a 3X, but I absolutely love this color. I thought of fall instantly when I saw this one on the site. Now, in the try-on portion, I tried this on with that same white bodysuit. Once again, pure laziness, but I feel like I would go with more of a black colored, like cami or bodysuit underneath, because the white was just too much, and it was like, whoa, girl, whoa, too much. But I still like the top a lot. It's just the exact same shirt as the other one, but a different color, so. All right, and we've come to the last item, another pair of jeans. These are more of a dark wash, super stretchy. Out of every single pair of jeans I hauled today, these are the most comfortable. I mean, they are stretchy, high-waisted. These were sent straight from the heavens because they're just perfect. I love them. I got these in a size, what did I get? 18, and they're just the best, man. I just love them. I mean, I could do some like karate kicks in these. They're so stretchy, but not like super, super thin like some jeans are. They're not jeggings in my opinion at all. They're an actual jean material that just stretches. I don't think you can really like tell how much they stretch, but love, love, love these. I feel like you could pair these. These are just like basic jeans, but you can pair them like, you know, with anything, and they're my favorite skinny jeans. I feel like skinny jeans are my favorite to wear, but I feel like they're not my favorite like looks wise. Like I love the look of a more like loose fitting jean, like a mom jean or boyfriend jean, but these are just so comfortable to me that I don't know, every day with the skinny jeans, I gotta quit. I know. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget that all of the good info is down in that description box, and if I haven't answered your question there, then go ahead and leave me a comment, or just leave me a comment anyway. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Really helps my channel out a lot. I feel like I have grown quite a bit in the past like month and a half, and I am here for it. I think that is it for this video. I will see you guys in my next, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye.